Hello everyone, so today I will introduce you about the PCS2 type of the water electrolysis device. So the tools provided along with the device will be big and small measuring cups and electronic scale with a salinity meters. So this tank consists of the raw material, which is the salt water. And the salt water will be absorbed into this electrolysis box to create the electrolyzed water. So as usual, we will on the machines and after that we will press the start button to start the electrolysis process. As PCS2 is a fully automatic device, so it will work for 20 minutes and rest for 10 minutes, and after the rest of 10 minutes it will automatically start for another 20 minutes, and when we get our electrolyzed water we can get it through here, and the product concentration of this PCS2 device will be 1000 ppm.